Hello, dear viewers. Today we learn how to earn money without any skill? On Islamia College ICMS channel. Video available on these below content. 1. Techniques or tricks. 2. Earn money online. 3. Make money methods. 4. Task 5. How to join. 6. Important notice. Top first, my best technique for all freelancers and beginners. Get dollars free online. Get more techniques to subscribe to our channel. Do you need to job online? Do you have no skill but earn money? Do you want to fix a salary job online? If yes, so, please watch the full video and get dollars or fix salary. We give you 2 methods in this tutorial to get more benefits. Firstly, create a Fiverr account and gig through our link. Link available in the description below. After creating an account, just inform us. We will promote you and give you orders and positive reviews. Secondly, we will give you a simple task to complete just in 10 minutes. You can earn $50 to 1,000 plus, or 10,000 rupees per to 1 lakh plus. How to complete task. Create your Fiverr account from our given link. Let us know. We will give you a seller account to placing orders and positive reviews. The cash we will provide you for orders. How to join us. Contact on our website www.icmsedu.org or direct on WhatsApp. Contact information available in video description. Important notice. Don't create panic for us. Write a comment if have any question. Join our team but only serious. Subscribe our channel Islamia College. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We will see you again in next tutorial. Take care and goodbye.